IMT Cross, more than one thing. Well, I do know one thing's for sure. We have waited for a new Volkswagen here in Singapore for quite a while now, and finally we have a new one. We are in the middle of Labrador Park, very deep inside Labrador Park in fact, and we have a new Volkswagen. It's the Volkswagen T-Cross. Effectively, this is the smallest crossover that Volkswagen will have in Singapore. The full review will come out later on. We are at the launch. So yeah, let's get down to it. Some of you might notice an R-Line badge on the front here. Yes, this T-Cross is an R-Line. In fact, this is the only variant available for the R-Line currently. But speaking of the front, of course, if you look here, it looks very much like the Touareg, its bigger sibling. The wheels are a little bit orange, but if you don't want these colors, you can actually have them in orange if you like them. It's a whole design scheme which Volkswagen is offering with the T-Cross. So this is energetic orange. It's energetic orange from the outside and inside also. So if you like that kind of thing, it works. I think the biggest difference for the T-Cross amongst the Volkswagen range is at the back. I've never seen a Volkswagen with black inserts like these before. This reminds me a lot of the Mark II Seat Ibiza. It's kind of cool actually, all black in the back. You got the new flat Volkswagen logo up there. Yeah, it is indeed quite different. The Volkswagen T-Cross is a completely new car, but there are quite a few new things in this car which I've never seen before in any Volkswagens actually. First off is this steering wheel. It is completely new. The buttons are all in the right places, but this whole layout is quite new. But this badge also, I've not seen it yet in Singapore. This is the new Volkswagen badge where it's all flat. In photos, it kind of looks strange. From certain angles, it looks too flat, but in the driver's seat, it's actually not too bad. It's quite nice, very modern feeling. Now, this T-Cross technically replaces the Cross Polo, which was the crossover version of the Polo. So effectively, the T-Cross is sitting on the same platform as the Polo. So interior wise, it actually looks quite similar. There are different designs. The T-Cross is a little bit different over here, but essentially you still have 8-inch infotainment screen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto all in, and of course this 10.25-inch active info display. This is the second version of it, just like the Polo, so you can customize it a little bit if you want to. And also, like the Polo, this does come with the Beats by Dr. Dre. So yeah, 300 watts of audio. I think it's an 8-speaker system. We will double check. But yeah. So there you have it, our first impressions of the Volkswagen T-Cross. The full review of the Volkswagen T-Cross will come later on. It is now available in Singapore, of course, for $128,900. But if you want one from now till 9 December 2020, you can get $10,000 off the Volkswagen T-Cross, making it $118,900. So if you like it, you like the funky looks, you like the energetic orange, well, go check it out. See you guys next time. Was that a mango? That sounded damn loud, dude. That sounded damn dangerous also at the same time. Huh? Yeah, that sounds like it could hurt someone. Also.